G'day viewers, I got this really cheap keyboard. The problem with it is the keys kept jamming, especially the 8 one. When I played the game, they going forward all the time. The 8 would jam and get stuck. A lot of the keys did that. For a $12 crap keyboard, it always did it. The keys always jammed. So I decided to pull everything out and just spray it all with silicone spray. Now I'm going to put all those button springs back together and put it all back together. Hopefully the keyboard should be good. So I'll fix that and I'll do another complete teardown on this. Boy, it stinks. Let's show you some of this keyboard. That's one cheap keyboard. But I fixed it. I don't seem to want to stick anymore. Just pull everything off and spray silicone spray under it all, and that fixed it. Anyway, let's do another complete teardown of this thing. I've got to pull all those bolts out by the looks of it. Get this thing completely apart and get this transformer out. That button doesn't even pop out either. That button's supposed to pop out on this test coil in there. There's a little coil in there. Doesn't work. Let's strip it down completely. And there's that resistor. All smoked out. Which was tucked in there, that resistor. And that's where that smoke was coming from. There we are, that resistor I was talking about, there it is. It goes between neutral and the body of this switch. And creates an artificial leak path that's imbalancing the load. And that's how this thing would trip. Mechanical part with a spring. Should rock this back and forth. Two dirty contacts there. Where a PVC cap flashed it. Try and get that transformer out. A little link there that just fell out. Part of the switch. You went in there. And it rocked against this thing. Rocked it like that. Yeah, those two. Closed, open, closed. Let's get the rest of this in here. Try and get the rest of this apart now. There it is, completely torn down with that resistor going to the neutral and creates the artificial leak path to earth, and that's where it burnt out. And that's why it wasn't tripping anymore, that resistor failed. There we are. Current goes to that transformer, that's how it measures the imbalance. And this is a secondary coil here. Little circuit in here that triggers this if there's an imbalance and causes it to trip, which is that resistor is also part of the test. That's what the test button didn't work, so that resistor overrides all this circuit here. I think it's supposed to let this spring must pop this little needle out, and that mechanically overrides this switch and trips it. That's what it's supposed to be like. It's supposed to be like that by default, I think. And that pops out. That, yeah, see, it's got positive there, so that's a coil. And that pops this spring out. So if there's an imbalance, it puts power to this transformer, which powers this up, and if there's an imbalance, this little thing, coil on here, will activate, and that pin will pop out and trip the switch mechanically. Little resistors and little MOSFETs on there and everything. Tiny. That's what's inside this RCD. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.